Hello everyone, so today I am going to be doing another bag charm, guys. I can't help it, I am obsessed. I know it is such a thing right now. So I have another charm chain right here that I'm going to be using. This one is longer than the previous one I made. This one, look how cute it came out, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. So today I do have some more of these little charms as well as some ornaments. Yes, little mini ornaments, guys. These are some Hallmark ornaments that I got. These are for the little mini trees, but guys, I'm gonna use them to make charms. So I have my charm right here, and I was really debating which one to go with. I really like the ones with the little jack faces on them, but I also really like the little cartoons, guys. I ended up going with the faces. I'll probably do another one for the other ornaments, guys, but today we're doing this one. So I have my little jack ornament faces right here. I took them all out. And at first I was like, okay, let me be very careful with the little string on them just in case I ever want to reuse them. You know, I still have the string, but it was giving me trouble. I tried to use the pliers to undo the knot because I can't do it with my nails. And it ripped the little string, so I was like, whatever. I just cut the rest off, guys. You guys see me struggling right there, guys. Yeah. It's just easier to cut them off. I was like, if I ever want to use them again, I'll just buy some new string. So this is how the little faces looked after I cut off all the strings. And like I said, I have the little charms. I was debating the whole time. I was like, should I use them? Should I not? I don't know. So I was like, I'll just leave them on the side and decide later. So I have some little silver jumping rings right here that I'm going to be using to attach the little faces to the charm chain. Using my pliers, I opened it up and then I hooked it onto the top of the little head ornament. After that, I did add another jumping ring in there because I did want to extend it a bit so it could kind of jingle off the charm chain. You guys will see how it looks in a bit. And then I sealed it, making sure those two ends are completely connected and put together so it does not fall off. After that, this is how it looks, but I still added one more jumping ring, total of 3 per head. I opened up the attachment jumping ring and I added another jumping ring to that, making it 3 total. And I did make sure those bottom 2 jumping rings were completely closed. This is how it looks, and that's what I did for all of them. So once I was done putting the jumping rings on all of the little ornament heads, it was time to attach them to the actual charm chain. So I started off doing the edges. I opened up that last jump ring on top, making sure it was wide enough to hook it onto the chain. Once again using my pliers, and then I attached it. Placement is optional. I skipped one ring and then added it to the second ring of the chain, and then I sealed it completely together, making sure it was not going to fall off. This is how it looks. Look at that, super cute. You see how it hangs off the chain. Same thing to the other side, and then I did one right in the middle. I did count the jumping rings on the actual chain to the middle because I wanted them to be even, and that's where I placed this head. This is how it's looking so far, and then I applied 2 more of those ornament heads right in between those 3. Again, counting those jumping rings on the actual chain to meet at the middle, and that's where I attach my ornament charm. I did the same thing to the other side, and this is how it looks, guys. Look at that. So like I was saying, I was thinking about adding those little tiny charms, and I was like, okay, let me try it. I did apply one right there next to the middle area, and I liked it because it was Jack. But since the other characters weren't jacked, I felt like they weren't really gonna be going with the charm chain. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna remove it. I know it's NBC, but still, I just wanted it all jack theme. So I just left it like that. I took it off, and these are my final results, guys. What do you guys think? I know it's a little bit hard to see it like this, so here's my other one that I have previously done, guys. I love both of them. I am so excited to make more of these, guys. Yes, I'm gonna make more, maybe even some Christmas theme. Not Nightmare Before Christmas theme, but like maybe some Grinch or something like that. So let me apply these to a bag so you guys can see how it looks. So I of course had to add it to my Marc Jacobs Nightmare Before Christmas theme bag, guys. And look at this, it was a bit long, so I still think it looks cute even though there's so much going on, but it makes it look even more amazing. But yes, guys, oh my gosh, I love it. I can't wait to use this on more bags, guys. I added it to another bag just so you guys can get a different vibe and see how it looks on different bags. So I added it to my other Nightmare Before Christmas bag that I have never even used. But guys, look, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I love it. Are you obsessing over this bag charm trend, guys? If you are, look at this. You can make your own bag charm, guys, and make it unique and make it your own, guys. So I do hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. If you already liked and subscribed, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.